In this video, you will learn how to retarget your audience. Your custom or lookalike audience is used when you want to run a retargeting ads on TikTok. These retargeting audiences are people who might have seen your ads or they have engaged on any of your ads or posts. It could also be that they are following your TikTok account. So in one way or the other, they have had contact with your business. It is good to retarget them because some persons do not take a buying decision at the first time. But when they see you again and again, it will help them to build trust, like you, and be able to take a buying decision fast. Now, let me show you the exact step on how to retarget your audience by creating a custom audience on your TikTok Ads Manager. Without wasting time, let's dive in. Log into your TikTok for Business account. You will see your business center here and your ads manager. Click on this ad account. Your TikTok ads manager will open like this. At the top here, you will see dashboard, campaigns, and tools. Hover your mouse on these tools. When you hover your mouse on tools, you will see all the various tools showing up right here. We are going to focus on Audience Manager because this is where you can create your custom, lookalike, or save audience. So click on Audience Manager. It is going to open at the background. So for you to see it, remove your cursor from this Audience Manager and take it outside. And you will see your audiences right here. If you have saved some audiences, you are going to see all of them. If you have not saved anyone, you will not see anything here. Now, let me show you how to create the custom audience for retargeting. At the top right hand side, you are going to see create audience here. Click on create audience, then you will see custom and lookalike audience. For the purpose of this video, we have to create the custom audience before you can be able to create lookalike, because the custom audience is the source for your lookalike. So click on custom audience. Now there are different custom audience types. The first one here is customer file. What they mean by customer file is your customer list, which entails your customer's phone number, their email address, and their names. So if you have a customer list like that, you can upload it by clicking here, upload it to TikTok, and TikTok is going to populate that customer list and generate custom audience based on that. Now, if you don't have a customer list, if you don't have a buyer list like that, the next one you can use is app activity. This is for those who have an app and you have been running ads to your app. So those who take action on your app, maybe download, they install your app, they bought something on the app, or they took any action at all, you can retarget them using this app activity to create custom audience that you can show your ad to them again. Then there are other means like engagement. This engagement is for those who have ever engaged on your ad, those who saw your ad, those who clicked or engaged on your content. That is what the engagement is about. So even if it's on your ad and it is your TikTok post, your business post, your video that you made on TikTok, the moment they engage on it, they saw it, they clicked it, they followed your page, you can retarget them with this engagement. The next one here is website traffic. So if you use TikTok pixel, if you want me to create a video on how to generate TikTok pixel for your website or your landing page, then comment below and I'll create a video on that. Let's continue. So if you're using website and you install pixel on your website to run ads, you can retarget those who visited your website. Maybe they did not buy. For example, if you're running an e-commerce business where they make purchase on the website, if that person visited and did not buy, you can retarget the person. Or if you're running lead generation ad, you can also use that same pixel to retarget those who visited but did not take action. Then the next one here is business accounts. These are those who followed or interacted with your business account on TikTok. So if they visited your page, they visited your business account, they reacted, they followed or whatever but did not buy, you can retarget them with this business account. Then offline activity. This one, you create a custom audience for those who interacted with your offline events. Then the next one we have here is lead generation. So you can retarget those who viewed or submitted an instant form in lead generation ad. So if they submitted the lead form and they went away, maybe you have sent them email and some of them converted but some did not convert, you can retarget them by creating a custom audience through this and you'll be able to show them your ad again. Then we have shop activity. This is for those who have TikTok shop. You can use this shop activity to create a custom audience and retarget your audience. These are the available sources here. Let us go with one that anybody can use. So even if you have a website or not, you can use this one I'm about to show you now. Everybody has a TikTok business account. So let's say you have run ad, maybe through video or flyer flyer or image, any kind of ad at all, and you want to retarget those who engage on that ad, people who followed your page for that month, those who reacted to your content but did not buy, you can be able to do that through this TikTok account. Just click on TikTok account. You will see this pop-up that says create a business account audience. You can see define your audience here. The next question they will ask is who is included in audience, and we want to populate this audience such that it will be broad enough for us to retarget them. If you are enjoying this video, just click the like button below and drop a comment. That will encourage me to be bringing more valuable videos like this for you. Okay, you can see people who have carried out the following actions. There's a drop down button here. Click on this drop down button. So we want to start with those who view at least 6 seconds of our videos. So select those who view at least 6 seconds. Then you will see in the past, select also. So you can use in the past 30 days, that is within 1 month period. All those who have ever engaged within that month, we want to retarget them. Now take a look at this. Through the following business account, you will see your TikTok business account that you linked to your business center here. You can see mine right here. Now click on this add rule, because I told you we want to make it broad such that we can retarget these people. Okay, so click on add rule. Then you are going to see broaden audience. You see narrow audience. We want to broaden it because broad audience is good. So now I have clicked on broaden audience. So we want to add more options. Remember, we chose those who watch at least 6 seconds of our video ad. Now I want to choose more, and you will see all people who carried out. So it will choose both this one, this also. That's why you need to select more so that it can populate your audience more for you. Click on this drop down button and you will see other options here. Now I want to go with those who engage. So I will select engagement here. So those who have ever engaged on my ad, my post, my videos, my account for the past 30 days. So in the password, we are still going to work with 30 days. Okay. So for the past 30 days, I will retarget them. Still go ahead and add rule again. When you click on add rule, broaden audience, then we are going to choose more engagement type. So click on this drop down button here. Now let's go with follow. So those who have ever followed our TikTok account, we are still going to retarget them. We can use this basic 3 for this particular TikTok account custom audience type. There is exclude here, but we don't have any audience we want to exclude yet. So just scroll down and you will see audience settings, audience name below it. Click on this search bar to give your audience a name. So I can just call it custom audience. You can see that right there. Now, when you name it as custom audience, just scroll down. At the bottom right hand side here, you will see this confirm button. Click on confirm. And right here, your custom audience is created. You can see the name I gave it, custom audience, and its business account custom audience match. So it's populating. You give it a little time. That's why you see they say availability unavailable. Below it, you will see processing data. So it's populating that audience based on the command you give. Now, you may ask, how long will it take it to populate? It may take up to 24 hours to calculate your audience, so you check the status later again. So after your custom audience has finished populating, I want to use it to run ads. See what you will do for you to see your custom audience. At the right hand side here, you will see this create ad button here. So you can just create the ad directly from here, or you go over to campaigns here. When you click on campaigns, you will see your previous ads that you have run here. Then at the left hand side, you will see this create button. Click on create. If you are learning something, kindly like this video and drop a comment. Before we proceed, if you're new to my channel and you're interested in learning social media marketing the right way, then you need to subscribe to the channel. This is one of the fastest growing channel here on YouTube who is teaching social media marketing. It's a new channel and we have grown so fast within the shortest time. You will gain more knowledge on social media marketing if you subscribe to this community. So subscribe right now and turn on the bell notification. Have you done that now? All right, let's continue. So to use your custom audience, you select the particular objective you want to use. Let's assume I'm using lead generation. I'll select lead generation objective. Then I will come here and select manual campaign. Down below, you will name your campaign. If you don't know how to run TikTok ads, I have several videos that I have done on how to run TikTok ads. I will leave the link at the description of this video. So after watching this one, go and watch that one so that you understand how to run effective ad perfectly. Okay, let me just take you through how you are going to use that custom audience that you have already created. Okay, at the bottom here, you will see continue. Click on continue. Because audience is at the ad group level, scroll down. You are going to choose your optimization. I'm using TikTok GM. Just scroll down and you will see targeting here. This is where you can use your audience. You can combine your custom audience with a new set of audience if your custom audience size is too small. So now if you have saved an audience before, you can click on use saved audience here and use any of these your audience that you have saved. If you have not saved audience, then just create a new one from scratch here. From demographics here, select the location, age, gender, and language. Okay, so that is going to give you a fresh audience. Now you may ask, where are you going to see your custom audience to select it? Scroll down, you will see audience here. Then you are going to see include audience. So this is where you will select your custom audience that I just created. There's a drop down button here. Click on this drop down button and you will see custom and lookalike. So if your custom audience has finished populating, just click on this custom and you will see that audience right here. Then click on it to select it. If you have not created it at all too, you can also create a new one directly from here with this create new button and you create your custom audience. If it is lookalike you want to create, just click on lookalike and you can click on this create new and you'll be able to create your new lookalike audience. After that, go ahead and proceed with other setup that you need to do, like interest and all that. If you don't know audience targeting, I have a video I've done already on audience targeting. I am going to drop the link at the description of this video so that you can watch it and you learn more about TikTok ad. When you finish your ad group here, click on continue, set up your ad and you publish your ad. If you have any questions, just comment below and I'll reply to all your questions.